In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create account in LeetCode and how to start from LeetCode. So here in the Google Chrome, just search LeetCode, go here, that is nothing but leetcode.com, and you will see this button here, create an account. So click on this button and you will see this sign up page here. In this sign up page, I will use my username and the email ID is same. So the username must contain only letters, numbers, and underscore. So only this is possible. And now I need to insert the password. So you can enter any password. My password is 8 character length long and click on this button. So already user is registered with my email ID. So if you have already created account for this, you can sign in directly. So I will try to log in with email ID. Now password, hit enter. Okay, so I am able to log in. Now here you can see the interview preparation related problem. There are explore, problem, interview, contest. These are the tabs available here. So I will go with this problem. And here if you see here, so this two sum problem. So around 50 problems we can see per page. If you want to increase here, you can increase the problem size. So here I have two sum problem. If you want to see problems in 100, you will be able to see 100 per page. So here if you see here, the very first problem is restore IP address and two sum problems. So whatever is easy one we can choose. First easy one we can choose. Those are easy, you can start from there. Okay, and then you can go for medium, and then you can go for hard problems as well. In next video I will show you how I will solve these problems one by one. Meanwhile, thank you so much for watching.